So welcome back. So today we will discuss concept of electric potential and potential difference. So first topic which we are going to discuss today is electric potential. So if you take an infinitesimal test charge dq and work done in bringing this test charge from infinity to a point is dw. Then electric potential at this point is given by V is equal to delta W upon delta Q. Means electric potential may be defined as a ratio of amount of work done in bringing a test charge from infinity to that point to the test charge, or this may be simply defined as electric potential V at any point is the work done in bringing a unit positive charge without acceleration from infinity to that point. And electric potential difference may be defined as electrostatic potential difference between 2 points in the region of an electrostatic field is the work done in bringing a unit positive charge without acceleration from one point to another point. Mathematically, potential difference between these 2 points VA minus VB is defined as amount of work done in bringing a test charge from B to A to the test charge delta Q. Electrostatic potential difference between 2 points in the region of an electrostatic field is the work done in bringing a unit positive charge without acceleration from one point to another point, where this WBA is the amount of work done in bringing an infinitesimal charge delta Q from which point? From B to A. From B to A. And unit of this quantity means electric potential or potential difference will be W by Q. W is a work done, and work done may be measured in SI unit joule and charge coulomb. So joule per coulomb is SI unit of electric potential, and this joule per coulomb is also known as 1 volt. So now we may define electrostatic potential difference between 2 points is said to be 1 volt if 1 joule of work is done to bring a positive unit charge of 1 coulomb without acceleration from one point to another point in the region of electric field.